How can I maximize your Social Security benefits? Step-by-step guide for beginners. Social Security benefits can provide a reliable source of income during your retirement years, but maximizing those benefits requires careful planning and strategy. As a beginner, navigating the ins and outs of Social Security can be overwhelming, which is why we've put together this step-by-step guide to help you make the most out of your benefits. From building an investment portfolio to improving your credit score, we'll cover everything you need to know in order to maximize your Social Security benefits and secure a comfortable retirement. So let's get started. Maximizing your Social Security benefits is crucial if you want to ensure a comfortable retirement. There are several steps you can take to achieve this, starting with understanding the various claiming strategies available. One of the most effective ways to maximize your benefits is by delaying your claim until you reach full retirement age, FRA. By doing so, you'll receive a higher monthly benefit amount than if you claimed early. You may also be able to increase your benefits further by waiting until age 70 before claiming. Another strategy that can help boost your benefits is known as file and suspend. This involves filing for benefits at FRA but suspending them until a later date. By doing so, any delayed retirement credits will continue to accrue, resulting in a higher monthly benefit when payments resume. It's also important to consider spousal and survivor benefits when planning how best to maximize your Social Security income. Spouses are entitled to up to half of their partner's benefit amount, while survivors can receive up to 100% of their deceased spouse's benefit. By taking these factors into account and utilizing smart claiming strategies, it's possible for beginners like yourself to maximize their Social Security benefits and enjoy a financially secure retirement. When it comes to maximizing your Social Security benefits, it can be overwhelming for beginners to know where to start. But don't worry, there are steps you can take that are beginner-friendly and will set you on the right path. Firstly, make sure you understand how Social Security works. Start by reading through the information available on the official Social Security Administration website. This will give you a solid foundation of knowledge to build from. Next, consider building an investment portfolio. Even if you're starting with just a small amount of money, investing in stocks or mutual funds can help grow your retirement savings over time. It's also important to focus on building up your overall retirement savings outside of Social Security. Consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or contributing more towards your employer-sponsored 401k plan. Another factor that may impact your Social Security benefits is your credit score. Make sure to maintain good credit habits such as paying bills on time and keeping credit card balances low in order to maximize your potential benefits. By taking these steps as a beginner, you'll be setting yourself up for success when it comes to maximizing your Social Security benefits in the long run. Building an investment portfolio is a crucial step in maximizing your Social Security benefits. Having a diverse range of investments can help you offset any potential financial losses and ensure that your retirement funds continue to grow over the years. Before building your investment portfolio, it's important to understand your risk tolerance level. This will help determine how much money you should allocate towards stocks, bonds, mutual funds or other assets. It's also important to consider diversification so that you're not putting all of your eggs in one basket. One strategy for building an investment portfolio is known as dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of market fluctuations. By doing this consistently over time, you'll be able to build up a significant amount of wealth for retirement. Another approach is known as value investing, which involves buying stocks or other assets that are undervalued according to their fundamental worth. This requires some research into the company's financials and future prospects but can lead to great returns if done correctly. It's important to regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio based on changes in the market or personal circumstances such as age or risk tolerance levels. Building an effective investment portfolio takes time and effort but can ultimately provide long-term security for your retirement years. Retirement savings is a crucial step in maximizing your Social Security benefits. It's never too early or too late to start saving for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time you have to let your money grow through compounding interest. There are several ways you can save for retirement, such as contributing to an IRA or 401k plan. These plans allow your money to grow tax-free until you withdraw it during retirement. If you're not sure where to start with retirement savings, consider meeting with a financial advisor who can help assess your current financial situation and suggest appropriate strategies. It's also important to regularly review and adjust your retirement savings plan as needed. Life circumstances may change, such as a new job or unexpected expenses, that impact how much you can contribute towards your retirement goals. Remember that every little bit counts when it comes to saving for retirement. Even if it seems like a small amount at first, consistent contributions over time can make a significant difference in reaching your long-term financial goals. Your credit score plays a crucial role in your financial life, especially when it comes to maximizing your Social Security benefits. A high credit score can help you secure lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, which means more money saved for retirement. To improve your credit score, start by paying all of your bills on time. This includes everything from rent or mortgage payments to utility bills and credit card balances. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your scores. Another helpful tip is to keep an eye on the amount of debt you have compared to the total amount of available credit you have. Ideally, you should aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit at any given time. If you're struggling with debt, consider working with a reputable nonprofit organization that offers free counseling services. They may be able to help you develop a plan for paying off debt and improving your overall financial health. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. By staying disciplined and making smart choices along the way, you can position yourself for maximum Social Security benefits down the road. To sum it up, maximizing your Social Security benefits is a crucial part of securing your financial future. By following the steps outlined in this beginner-friendly guide, you can ensure that you receive the maximum amount possible from your benefits. In addition to building an investment portfolio and saving for retirement, it's important to keep an eye on your credit score and consider investing in stocks. Remember that small changes now can lead to significant gains later on. By taking control of your finances and making smart decisions about how you invest and save for retirement, you'll be well on your way towards achieving long-term financial stability. So start today and take charge of your financial future.